Some viewers may find the following video disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised.
Hey Jace, where's Frangos?
I was just over there, mate.
Oh, look out!
Pans down, pans up. Okay, we're ready. Hey, communication is the key to a lot of aspects in the rail network. I'm doing my presentation on hand signals. If you want to know a little bit more about hand signals, follow me. Oh, hey guys, how are you? Hey listen, we're just going to have a little test. It's really tight in here. Normally you can only have one person, maybe two people in here, but listen, today we've got the whole class. It's going to be great. I'm going to ask each person just one signal. Okay, it's going to be in the dark, so if you get a little bit scared, you can hold hands, it's going to be okay. All right, T, starting with you. Okay, can you tell me this signal? Oh, well done, T. Fantastic, top of the class, excellent. Okay, Tina, you know how you don't like to be put on the spot, but listen, I'm going to put you on the spot right now. Okay, can you answer this for me? Oh, well done, Tina. Excellent, top job. Hey, Matt. Okay, listen, I'll give you an easy one, I promise. Okay, can you tell me what signal this is? Oh, Nat. You're the best. Seriously, you're so cool. Okay, Matt, my fishing buddy. Mate, you've got no problems answering this one, I know. Okay, can you tell me what this sign is? Whoa! Fantastic, Matt. Well done. Excellent, buddy. Okay, Hardiman. I know you've been studying all night for this. You might fail. You might tell me you're going to fail, but I know you're going to get this one. Okay. Can you tell me what this signal is? Sign. Oh, Hardiman. Oh my God. You can post that on Instagram for sure. Well done. Hey, I see you hiding over there, Matthias. Listen, I know you're an ex-pilot and you think you're pretty good. See if you can answer this one, buddy. Too slow, mate. Far out. I thought you were really good. Don't worry about it, buddy. Oh. Okay. Hey, Marianne. I've got to ask you a quick question, okay? I'm really busy for the up-down Richmond line, whatever, I don't know. But hey, can you tell me what this signal is? Oh, Marianne, you're a star. Okay, seriously, you're a star. I just want to say one more thing. Don't think I've forgotten about you, Jenny. Okay, you know exactly who I'm talking about. Now, I haven't forgotten about you, but I've actually run out of signals to do so. I think I'm just going to stare at you just for a little bit. Okay, you feeling okay? We're doing it. Okay, thanks, Jen. Okay, yeah. Whoa, way. Okay, yeah. Oh, hey guys. Hey, thank you so much for participating in my presentation today. I really appreciate it. Thank you to everyone, even you. Have a great day and happy driving.